Do you think you understand the value of money? Think again. We've been taught that money is a simple equation of numbers, spreadsheets, and math. But what if I told you that the most important financial decisions are made far from calculators, around dinner tables, influenced by ego, pride, fear, and personal history? The true nature of money is a dance between the cold arithmetic of a spreadsheet and human nature. We consider ourselves complicated beings when it comes to money, and financial success depends not so much on what we know, but on how we behave. This video is inspired by Morgan Housel's incredible book, The Psychology of Money. Join us as we explore the strange and human side of money, discovering how our generational differences, experiences, and the impact of unexpected events shape our financial decisions in ways we never imagined. From the astounding ability to understand compound interest to the crucial role of luck and risk in our lives, we invite you to question everything you thought you knew about wealth, success, and happiness. Get ready to discover why some people make financial decisions that seem crazy but actually aren't. Ready to challenge your preconceptions and discover the true cost of wealth and how our own stories and behaviors define our financial success? Join us on this journey to the human side of money. The psychology of money. When we think of money, we often envision spreadsheets and calculations. But the truth is, the real decisions about money are made far from calculators, influenced by ego, pride, and personal history. Our attitudes and behaviors towards money are deeply rooted in our upbringing, cultural background, and personal experiences. Whether it's our parents' financial habits or the economic environment we grew up in, these factors shape our financial worldview. For example, individuals born in the 1970s witnessed a booming stock market, leading to a positive view of investing. In contrast, those born in the 1950s experienced stagnation, fostering a more cautious approach. Each of us carries a personal story that shapes our financial choices. While these decisions may seem irrational to outsiders, they make perfect sense within the context of our own experiences and beliefs. In the realm of finance, it's not just about numbers, it's about understanding the intricate dance between rationality and emotion. As we delve deeper into the psychology of money, we uncover the profound impact of our personal stories on our financial journey. Compound kings. In the world of finance, few names shine as brightly as Warren Buffett's, but what many overlook is the secret to his staggering success. It's not just about being a good investor. It's about starting early and harnessing the power of compounding. Imagine investing $1,000 at an 8% interest rate. After 1 year, your initial investment earns you $80. But here's where it gets interesting. If you reinvest that total of $1,080 at the same 8% interest rate the next year, you not only earn $86.40, but also accumulate interest on the original investment. This phenomenon, known as compounding, can turn modest investments into substantial wealth over time. Warren Buffett's journey began at the tender age of 10, laying the foundation for his remarkable net worth of $84.5 billion. His story highlights the importance of starting early and staying committed to the long-term strategy of compounding. It's not just about making good investments, it's about giving time the opportunity to work its magic. Pessimism and money. In the world of finance, pessimism often casts a long shadow over optimism. We're wired to pay more attention to bad news than good, leading us to overlook the gradual progress that occurs over time. Economic downturns grab headlines, while long-term growth trends go unnoticed. But here's the reality: progress is incremental. Every year, advancements in technology, medicine, and innovation improve our lives. Yet, we're quick to focus on short-term setbacks, ignoring the bigger picture. Instead of succumbing to pessimism, we should embrace the idea that over time, things tend to improve. Whether it's the stock market or the economy, history has shown that resilience and progress prevail. So the next time you hear about a market downturn or economic uncertainty, remember that it's just a blip on the radar of long-term growth. In the grand scheme of things, optimism wins out over pessimism. The forgotten elements. In the tapestry of success, luck and risk are often overlooked threads that shape our journey. Take, for instance, the story of Bill Gates and his serendipitous encounter with a computer at Lakeside School. While Gates went on to become a tech titan, his classmate Kent Evans met a tragic end, highlighting the role of risk in our lives. Luck and risk are like currents in the ocean, influencing our trajectory in unforeseen ways. Understanding that success is a blend of talent, timing, and chance can humble us in our pursuits. So, the next time we marvel at someone's achievements, let's remember the invisible forces that guide us and appreciate the delicate dance between fortune and fate. Are you diving into the fascinating journey of money and the human mind? Don't miss a single moment of this enlightening voyage. Stay tuned for every chapter of our financial exploration by activating the notification bell. Join our community and uncover the hidden secrets behind wealth, success, and happiness. Keep going and click now to not miss a beat. The key to happiness. As we navigate the maze of wealth and success, one question emerges: what truly leads to happiness? According to Morgan Housel, it's not the pursuit of material wealth, but the ability to control our time. In a world obsessed with accumulating riches, studies reveal that true contentment stems from having autonomy over our lives. Think about it. No amount of money can buy back lost time or grant the freedom to pursue our passions. So, as we chase financial goals, let's not forget the ultimate currency: time. It's the highest dividend money can't buy. Tail events. In the realm of finance, outliers reign supreme. Meet Heinz Berggruen, a man whose fortune was built on the back of a few extraordinary events. These tail events are the hidden gems that drive success in business and investing. Just as a handful of masterpieces propelled Berggruen's art collection to staggering heights, a select few investments can determine the trajectory of our financial journey. So, don't overlook the power of outliers. Embrace the uncertainty, for within it lies the potential for extraordinary growth. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of tail events and their profound impact on wealth and prosperity. True wealth versus being rich. In a world obsessed with appearances, it's time to redefine wealth. True wealth isn't measured by flashy cars or extravagant homes. It's found in financial security and freedom. While some chase material possessions, others prioritize building assets and investing in their future. Remember, the key to lasting wealth lies in self-control and restraint. So the next time you see someone flaunting their riches, remember that true wealth is invisible to the eye. Join us as we uncover the path to financial fulfillment and discover the real treasures that lie beneath the surface. In the roller coaster ride of investing, there's a price to pay for admission: volatility and uncertainty. Just like climbing a mountain, the path to financial success is fraught with twists and turns. Yet, many seek to avoid the inherent risks, hoping for a shortcut to riches. But here's the truth. Successful investing demands acceptance of market fluctuations and emotional turmoil. It's about recognizing that the journey may be rocky, but the destination is worth it. So buckle up and embrace the ride, for the real price of investing is the willingness to weather the storm in pursuit of long-term prosperity. Hedonic Treadmills. In the pursuit of wealth and success, it's easy to lose sight of when enough is truly enough. Enter the concept of the hedonic treadmill, the perpetual cycle of seeking more without finding satisfaction. Consider the cautionary tales of those who, despite immense riches, found themselves trapped in an endless quest for more. Bernie Madoff, Gupta. Their stories serve as stark reminders of the dangers of unchecked ambition. So, as we navigate the labyrinth of wealth, let's remember to pause, to reflect, and to find contentment in the present moment. Join us as we uncover the secrets to breaking free from the hedonic treadmill and finding true fulfillment in life's simple pleasures. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the intricacies of wealth and focus. At Wealth and Focus, we're dedicated to equipping you with the knowledge and tools to transform your financial life. Our mission is simple: to demystify personal finance and empower you to achieve your financial goals, no matter where you're starting from. With our videos published twice a week, you'll gain insights into smart saving, wise investing, and cultivating a wealth mindset. Whether you're an employee seeking to improve your economic well-being or someone looking to build passive income streams, we've got you covered. Join our community of learners committed to financial growth and discover the path to a brighter financial future. Remember, wealth is within your reach. All it takes is focus and determination. Subscribe now and embark on your journey to financial freedom with Wealth and Focus.